Gold and extreme volatility. Gold and silver markets experienced dramatic volatility this week, primarily driven by the announcement of new U.S. tariffs and escalating global trade tensions. On April 2, 2025, President Donald Trump declared a 10% baseline tariff on all U.S. imports, effective April 5, with additional country-specific tariffs set to take effect on April 9. Notably, imports from China faced an effective tariff rate of 54% after April 9. This announcement heightened fears of a global trade war, prompting investors to seek safe haven assets. In response, gold prices surged to a record high of $3,167.57 per ounce on April 3, reflecting concerns over the deepening trade conflict and its potential economic impact. Analysts attributed the rally to increased demand for gold as a hedge against economic uncertainty. By April 8, gold prices had slightly retreated but remained elevated, with spot gold trading at $2,996.60 per ounce, up 0.5% from the previous day. U.S. gold futures also climbed 1.3% to $3,010.70. The sustained high prices were driven by ongoing investor concerns over the prolonged trade war and its potential to trigger a global recession. Silver markets mirrored gold's trajectory. On April 8, silver prices saw slight fluctuations, with spot silver dipping marginally. Despite this, the overall trend indicated resilience, supported by safe haven demand amid escalating trade tensions. China's role has been pivotal in these developments. The country's strategic gold acquisitions, including over 11 tons purchased between late November and December 2024, have tightened global supply and contributed to rising gold prices. These purchases were strategically timed ahead of major geopolitical events, such as the recent tariff announcements. In summary, since April 1, 2025, the gold and silver markets have been significantly influenced by the U.S. administration's tariff policies and China's strategic market activities. Investors have increasingly turned to these precious metals as safe haven assets amid escalating global trade tensions and economic uncertainty. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to our channel for timely notifications. See you next time.